Welcome to another Tech Tips channel. How are you? During the RMCO, you will find all shop or restaurant or grocery is required to register our contact info before we are allowing to enter. The registration will be done by scanning the QR code, or manual fill in your contact information in a logbook. In the last video, we share an app, MySejahtera. You may click on the link at the right top to learn how to use the MySejahtera to check in. The MySejahtera app was developed by the government, which easier for us to check in for each shop we visit. But somehow, I still found some shop didn't provide MySejahtera QR code. They provided this QR code, like SELangkah QR Code, or some QR code is just a Google registration form. In this case, you're no longer able to use the MySejahtera app to check in. For this case, you have required a QR code scanner app. Today, I'm going to share with you 2 QR code apps that I used. Google Lens and Scandit. Google Lens, search what you see. This app is developed by Google. Using a photo, your camera, or almost any image, Lens helps you discover visually similar images and related content, gathering results from all over the internet. I will share more Google Lens detail in the next video. Today we just focus on QR code scanning. Scandit is developed by Scandit AG. It is an award-winning mobile computer vision software, which enables barcode scanning, text and object recognition for enterprise apps and delivers real-time insights. So far, it is the fastest barcode scanner app that I found. Okay, let's start now. First, download and install Google Lens from Google Play Store, and then run it. As we said, Google Lens search what you see through your camera. Like, direct translate, text recognition, general search, shopping search, and dining search, but today we will use the QR code scanner, so we will use the general search. Point your camera to the QR code. Make sure the entire QR code is within the view. A link will be pop out upon success scan. Click on the link, and it will direct you to your browser. Then you may proceed to the check-in in the browser. Next, let's try another QR code. Same, a link will be pop out upon success scan. Click on the link, then it will direct you to your browser. It is very simple and easy, right? Now, let's try the Scandit app. Download and install Scandit from Google Play Store. Then run it. Scandit supports scanning various barcode type, but today we are focused on QR code. Point your camera to a QR code. A link will be pop out upon success scan. Click on the link, then it will direct you to browser. Let's try another QR code. Same, point your camera to a QR code, click the link that pop out. Then you may proceed with the check-in process in browser. After this session, I hope everyone handier during check-in to any shop. Now you can use MySejahtera app to check in MySejahtera QR code, while other QR codes you may use Google Lens or Scandit. We end here today. If you found my video is helping, please support me by like and share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you guys at the next video. Have a nice day. Bye.